link directly to a Facebook Live video? Well, you can and you should get a direct link so that you can promote towards your upcoming live stream and get more viewers. I'm going to show you what you need to know about those direct links on Facebook. Are you ready to dig in? Let's do this. So here's the thing, you might want to grab the direct link to your Facebook Live video after you've gone live for maybe sending out the replay, or maybe you want to schedule your live stream in advance so that you can pre-promote it directly, which of course is the best way to get more viewers on your live stream, right? And by the way, if you don't know how to schedule your stream so that you can get that link in advance, be sure to watch the video linked to in the description. I give you step-by-step instructions and I tell you one big mistake to avoid with scheduling that so many other people make, but you're not gonna make it because you're gonna watch that video, right? Side note, please, 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 please don't go live and then take time out during your stream to go grab the link and promote. Quite frankly, it's rude to your live viewers and to your replay viewers. I mean, imagine how you would feel if you go to hang out with a friend and they say, you know what, I'm glad you're here, but I think I'm gonna wait to even talk to you until Barry gets here. Whew! That would hurt, wouldn't it? Best to either schedule in advance so that you already have that link, or you have somebody else like a VA or a moderator promote it for you if you don't schedule. That rant is over. Let me show you exactly how to link directly to your Facebook Live video. So once you're live or it's been scheduled, just scroll down your page until you find that video. This here is a scheduled live video. You're gonna click the timestamp. That is the easiest way to access a pre-scheduled live stream or any post on your Facebook page is just click that timestamp. Okay, so once you arrive at this link, you're gonna notice that Facebook adds all of these question marks and formula looking things and mumbo jumbo that just really is irrelevant. So let's shorten this link. I'll show you exactly what you need to know with your URL. It is only facebook.com/livestreamingpros/videos/this string of numbers. That is all that matters. So after this string of numbers, this first string, then just get rid of all of the rest so that you don't have this long URL that you're sending out to people, okay? And then that, I'll just refresh the page with that URL. You'll see it's the same exact post, just without all that tracking. And by the way, if you're already live, you are going to see a live tab right here in the left-hand side of the page. So people can access that and see that you're live very easily, or you could just head on over to that in order to grab the link while you're live. Now, one thing you should know, because this is fairly new for most people, you could go into the Creator Studio section and access your videos from here. If you go to Content Library, then you can see the post and you can edit the post or you can view the post. This though is not the link that you want to send out to people. So I want to make sure that you do it the way I originally showed you. Don't get this link from Facebook to send out to people. Do the original way I showed you. I just want to make sure that there's no confusion. Okay, so now you have your scheduled link. So remember to send that out before you go live so that you have the potential of getting more live viewers on your stream. Don't make that one big mistake that people make when they promote towards a scheduled stream. I talk about that and give you step-by-step instructions on how to schedule your stream in the video linked to in the description. So make sure you go watch that. And if you want more tips, strategies, and how-tos for your live videos, subscribe, turn on those bell notifications so you can grow your audience quicker. And by the way, we are live every Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific. I'd love to chat with you then. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.